they had in their other car was on the actual bumper brace. I'm just taking this off. Chuck's he'll do the actual speaker.
So this is the camera system for Motorola. It's called a watch guard. And this DVR has about 8,000 connections to it. And most guys put this behind the seat. I found a company that makes the plate for it. Fits right in the console. And what's nice about that, this thing has a SD card. You know, if they don't download it, it'll record it onto here. And every time, if you put it behind the seat, you got to move the seat. Everything is right here.
Hayes for horses. Pretty ridiculous. Now, luckily, I can reuse that plug, so that's cool. Yeah, it worked. They didn't add enough coffee to it. Don't have the time, or want the time, or care. No one's gonna see this. Three, 4, 5, and 6 are the ones we're looking for. Mirror, passenger headlight, driver headlight. So this is a power probe. We use it to send 12 volt to any piece that we need to send 12 volt to. Can also send a ground. There's some things that trigger on ground, so it's useful to have. But if I need to test a light, figure out where it goes and whatnot, just like we were doing, I wanted to make sure I'm on the right cables for the headlights and mirror lights that are come through factory on these. So I have it plugged into the cigarette lighter. Cigarette lighter has 12 volt power. I know that because one, my light's on, and when I hit this, it gives me a beep. So if I go to number 6 here and I turn it on, I should have power going to it, which I do. So I'm able to tell which light I'm actually connected to and that it's working. That's the one. Hate taking out one car to another. It's just so much harder. And none of it to make a sense. So I want to go down to here, take the string, and it cuts it. It freaking cuts it. Look at that. Crazy.
Thanks, D-Walt. Why is it you put the camera on me and I cannot do this? This is like the easiest thing known to man, and I cannot put that in when you got the camera looking at me. So all I was trying to do is clip that.
That's what the PPFers say.
And you're like...
They can't unroll when the camera's on them.
Seriously, I mean, look how... Okay, it's this easy. When the camera's not looking, look. I'll look away from the camera. That's simple. It is overkill, I just did not want to get my heat gun out. Does the same thing. I like it because it's refillable. And it's actually aluminum. A lot of these ones that you buy, they're junk. Now the bottom is plastic, of course. But it's all aluminum. And it's actually quite powerful. You could probably solder a pipe with it. And then you could adjust your airflow. That's pretty nice.